In today's video, we will be discussing polyamides. Polyamides, they are a type of condensation polymers and they come from the word amides. Let's remember what is an amide. An amide is formed when a carboxylic acid is reacted with an amine. Together, when they react, they will eliminate a water molecule, which is H2O, and the amide will be formed. The amide carries the functional group C double bond O and H. A polyamide has the amide linkage, which is the C double bond O and H, repeated over and over again. How can we make polyamides? Polyamides, they can be made from two different monomers. One of them is the diamine or the diaminoalkane, which has two amine groups that will react with a dicarboxylic acid monomer, which has two carboxylic acid groups, which is the C double bond O, OH. These two monomers, when they react, if I have plenty of them, like here, always like condensation polymer reactions, H2O molecules will be eliminated and ejected. The more you have of the diamines and the dicarboxylic acids, the more H2O molecules will be released out. When they are released out like this, there is a linkage between all these monomers that will be formed, and they will form for us the polyamide polymer. So our repeating unit here, as you can see, is the NH C double bond O B C double bond O. Again, it's gonna connect to another NH C double bond O B C double bond O. So our repeating unit is this one here, as I highlighted it here. Let's observe some examples of polyamides. Examples of polyamides are the nylon. Nylons are polyamides, and as you can see here in this picture, this is a demonstration of the formation of nylon. Nylon comes from the reaction of 1,6-diaminohexane with hexane 1,6-dicarboxylic acid. When they react together, they will form this formula of the nylon. This picture that you see here shows the demonstration that was performed first by Stephanie Kwolek, who developed later what we call the substance, we call it Kevlar. Kevlar here is another example of polyamides. Kevlar is made of benzene 1,4-diamine along with benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. When these two monomers react together, they will give us this formula, which is the substance that we call it Kevlar. Kevlar has different properties than nylon. Kevlar is used in the Formula 1 drivers' helmets. It is very strong due to the rigid chains and the ability of flat aromatic rings to pack together. They are also used in bulletproof vests and anti-stab clothing that are worn by the police.